Hello everyone, Daniel here with the E-Bike Journey YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Within this video, I want to show you all this knockoff Ogio backpack inside and out. If you have any questions about anything that you see or hear throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I will also leave links in the description below so you can check this out on your end. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. So for me, at initial glance, it is a very nice backpack. It is a hard shell. It's not too hard, and it's actually not soft at all. When I initially got this backpack, there was a little indentation right here, but I opened it up, pushed it out, kind of molded back to normal over the day. And let me again show you this backpack up close is where we're going to begin, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look at the insides here. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to show you all the threading here, the materials up close, and feel free to go ahead and change the quality of this video to the highest quality it offers, so that way you get the full experience. So I'm going to start with just showing you the materials up close here on what it's made of and what it looks like. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to put you in front of this product virtually, so that way you can see if this is right for you or not. You can see the seams right here and the sewing there, the threading. Now my terminology may be incorrect on some aspects of this backpack. Please forgive me for that. I'm going to do my best to navigate through this video here. At first impressions, this looks like a beautiful backpack. Whether it's a knockoff of another backpack or not is, for me personally, really besides the point. What I needed is an effective backpack to get me from A to B, with, you know, being able to do what I need to do, which is carry things in here. We're going to actually take a close-up look on the inside, but at first impressions, this hard shell does seem pretty awesome. As you can see, it is like a turtle shell. Allow me to show you the underside here. So there is some things in this backpack. I'll show you that as well here in a moment. So on this side right here, we have padded panels right here. So this is some padded paneling. We have the zippers to open. We have a little hanger right here, and then there's another compartment right here as well. As you see, I have some things in there. I have a charging cable and some clips in there. And you also have a waist strap as well. This is the buckle, what it looks like up close. Very simple to use. And I'm using gloves so that way I don't get oil all over this. I know that there are some blotches already there, but you get the idea. So this is a a clippable waist strap right here, and it's fully adjustable per sizing. It does have the chest strap right here as well, so you can go ahead and clip that in as well. These are the straps right here, and allow me again to bring it up close so that way you can see what everything is made of. Allow me to pull this up here so you can see this. I'm going to show you the parts that are connected. So I'm going to be as thorough as I can so that way you can really know what to expect on your end. We have some fraying right here. Now for the price point though, at my initial impressions, it does seem like it's well worth the price point for around 50 to 60 US dollars. This is not a bad backpack at all. I know some JanSports that cost around that much that aren't nearly this cool. And these straps here, let me see if I can show you the width of the straps. They seem like they're pretty rugged, pretty heavy duty here. Same thing for both sides. They have reflective paneling here. These clips right here are velcroed on, so you can remove and adjust as needed. If you want to put them down here, you can. I'm not sure if this one's open. You can put it right here if it fits. You get the idea with that. So those are these straps here, and these are the undersides of the straps. Opening the backpack, let's go ahead and get into that. Now there's some creases and folds in here, so when you're opening the backpack, or any backpack rather, you may want to be mindful and do it slowly. Don't be abusive or abrasive to the backpack. Kind of do it slowly. Well, that's how I'm doing it at least. And as you can see, this is the inside right here. I have quite a bit of stuff in here. I'm going to turn it this way for you all. So in here I have a screen which watches my rear when I'm riding. I have the camera in there for that screen. Here it has a laptop holder. It also comes with this waterproof cover that you can cover the shell. I'll actually show you that here as well. And then on the inside right here, as you see, there is another pocket. So it's actually really roomy. Sounds like plastic bags, but it doesn't feel that way. And over here you have some pencil holders or pin holders. What I have in here is I have a chesty for the GoPro, I have an air pump, I have a toolkit 1 and a toolkit 2. These toolkits are rather heavy. They're not really light or on the lighter side. So yeah, I mean the backpack holds them just fine. I don't have any issues. It doesn't feel heavy. I think the ruggedness and the build of the backpack kind of takes away from the overall weight. Not to mention these thicker straps as well kind of help distribute weight evenly. And then right here it has these little flaps. I'm not entirely sure what these are necessarily for. Maybe a drink of some sort, maybe two, because it has one on this side. I could see this holding a drink. So we have drink holders right here. Here is a pocket down here for that secret section up there. This zipper up here that I showed you earlier is that pocket right there. But as you can see, all in all, let me actually take everything out here so that way you can see the sizing without anything in it. And this is what the undershell looks like right here of the backpack. We have the indentations. If yours came pressed or mildly dent, I would just pop it back out. It'll actually pop out. If it was crudely damaged, then I would recommend reaching out to the manufacturer. But this is what the inside looks like right here. Let me see if I can zoom in for you all so you can see the material. It is definitely a hard shell, and for me, again, my first initial impressions are it does feel like a good quality backpack, and again, especially for that price point, I'm able to really carry a lot within this backpack right here. So you can see these two zippers open, another compartment right here. If I move the straps, you're going to see that these zippers right here come all the way down. So I'm just going to be careful opening these up right here. And this is the extension compartment. So what it does is, as you see off to the side, the entire backpack is now able to extend much larger than it originally was, and that's all the way around. What we're able to fit in there would determine on what you were carrying personally. I am not entirely sure if a helmet is designed to fit in here. However, with the size of this space, it kind of seems like it is. We can go ahead and see if my specific helmet will fit in here. Let me try that out for you all. I have the Ice Storm helmet right here. It's an Ice Storm helmet. I'll leave the links in the description for this as well. I've also done an in-depth review. Let me go ahead and see if we can actually fit something like this in here while being able to close. So as you see, for me personally, with the large size of my helmet, I don't see me being able to actually close the backpack. As you see right here, the helmet's sitting in there, and it just is too much for the backpack. I'm not sure if it'll fit sideways. We can try that out as well. Now, I'm not going to try to close it because I don't want to force the backpack to break or anything like that. As you see, I'm not trying to have any damage done, and I don't want my backpack hanging on by a thread either. So for me, I wouldn't feel entirely comfortable putting my helmet in my backpack, just simply because my helmet is far too large for this compartment. So again, that goes back to the size of your helmet would determine and the size and style rather would determine if you're able to fit it in your backpack or not. But we do have that extra storage there in case we're carrying more tools or we need to carry a bit more than usual that extra storage is there, which is awesome. And when I'm dealing with this backpack, I'm always real mindful and patient. I see how there's folds right here intercepting the zipper here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my time and really kind of just fold it back into place as I make my way around, so that way I don't pull the zipper out of its place here. So I'm just going to be mindful of everything that's in the way here, and as soon as it starts giving me resistance, I'm going to take a look and adjust accordingly. So it's actually very simple, very seamless. I'm going to keep my extension compartment closed for now. Moving on. I will show you all a video of this on back as well here in a moment. But all in all, at first impressions, this is a really good backpack, especially again for the price point. This is definitely one to look into and one that I can recommend. Here is the waterproof liner that it also comes with, that you can actually put around your backpack. Just like that. And as you see, so if you're ever caught in the rain, you'll have this to go ahead and protect your investment, which I think is pretty cool and nifty. This is definitely going to get some use. Just wanted to show you all that it does come with this as well. This little waterproof liner also has a clip here that you can strap to your backpack for security. Let's switch on over to a view of the backpack on back so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. For those whom are curious on the sizing here, from this point to this point, it runs about 20 inches, give or take a little, as you see right here. This is 20 inches, this is 0. So from start to right here, this is about 20 inches, and the width of it is at about maybe 14.5, give or take again. So as you can see, it's about 20 inches in height and about 15 inches in width right here. So from me to you, would I recommend in this backpack? Absolutely. It does look great, it feels great as well. And again, if you're looking to maintain a budget while trying to get a good backpack, or a backpack of this style, which is a hard turtle shell backing, I would recommend looking into this one. It's definitely worth at least looking into. From a scale 1 through 5, me personally, I'm going to give it a 5 easily, just because of the design, the build, the way that it feels in my actual presence, and the quality of it. I mean, it doesn't feel like a premium quality, however, it doesn't feel cheap. So again, I would say that it is of quality. However, depending on how long I'm able to have this, I'm going to update you all as this progresses and ages as well. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Depending on how long it lasts would determine my final opinion. However, right now at this very moment, from my initial use, wearing it a couple of times and actually messing with it and getting some experience with it, I can say for the buck it's definitely worth it. If this one goes bad within 2 or 3 years, that's fine. I would make another investment and get another one of these because it's well worth that to me. I do hope that I can shed some light here in this video for you all. I do hope that I can help guide you in a better direction. If you have any questions about anything that you saw throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias. I have an Instagram and a TikTok under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.